Sociology champs, welcome back to Sociology Gym, where we sweat less and score more. I'm Rashmi Sharma, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you 5 most important research and methodology topic you need to master for your upcoming exam. So this will be your revision starter pack, and I will also tell you the exact type of past paper question Cambridge has been asking. So here we have 5 important topic, and you must know what's coming before exam does. So here you can see the topic 1, that is research and methods. So here we need to understand all the strength and limitation and examples. So we start with the core research methods. This includes things like questionnaires and your survey, interviews, observation and experiment. But just knowing the name isn't enough. You must know what the method is, its strength, its weakness, and where it was used in real sociological studies. So here you can see the past paper question that is explained to strength of using a structural interview. I know you know the answer, but this is my advice. You just need to put an example here. So in our main lecture, I will also teach you some memory technique, how you will learn things easily. So let's come to the topic 2, that is sampling technique and sampling frame. So this one often gets ignored, but it shows up in almost every exam. You need to know sampling methods, like you can see here we have random, stratified, snowball, quota sampling. You must know how they affect the quality of research. So you must be knowing that. Here the past paper question be like, what is meant by sampling frame? Here you can also add like give to reason why researcher may use snowball sampling. So you must know this. Trust me, once you learn the differences and uses, this topic become a gold mine for easy marks. So let's come to very important topic, that is positivism and interpretivism. Now let's talk about the theories. This is where we compare the two main approaches in sociology. Positivist want numbers, pattern and objectivity. Interpretivist want meaning, experience and real life understanding. Definitely Cambridge is asking 26 marker essay every time on this topic. So you must write a full 26 marker essay. Once you read it, and you will be so confident. So this topic will help you explain why sociologists choose certain methods, and it is a favorite for long answer question. So let's come to your 4th topic, that is research issue. What is research issue? There can be practical, ethical, theoretical. This is about the real life problems that researchers face, what they can afford. Is it ethical? Will it give valid result? So you will need to understand issues like informed consent, access, bias, validity and more. And definitely from this topic, they're also going to ask the 26 marker. So you need to be very clear with the practical issues, the theoretical issues, and the ethical issues. So this section shows up again and again, and we will break it down simple using simple case studies and the real examples. I'm mentioning examples are very important. Now the 5th topic, last but not the least, methodological pluralism and the triangulation. Finally, the master topic. Triangulation means using more than one method to get a complete picture. Methodological pluralism means not sticking to just one approach. It is about using what works. So here you can also see the 26 marker. They can ask, and in 8 or 10 marker they can ask about the triangulation and methodological pluralism. You just need to merge all the method, and you just need to give the importance. So this topic is your secret weapon to write smart, balanced and top band answers. So see you in the next revision session. Please like, share and subscribe my new channel, that is Sociology Gym.